How to apply for a Thailand visa. If you're planning to visit Thailand and need help navigating the visa process, this video is for you. Whether you're a tourist, a digital nomad, or traveling for business, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your visa with zero confusion. By the end of this video, you'll know what documents you need, where to apply, and how to avoid common mistakes that could delay your plans. Let's dive straight in. First, determine the type of visa you need. Most travelers opt for a tourist visa, TR, which allows stays of up to 60 days and can be extended for an additional 30 days in Thailand. If you're staying longer, consider options like the non-immigrant visa for work or study, or the special tourist visa, STV, for extended stays. Visit the Royal Thai Embassy website in your country to confirm the available types and their requirements. Next, gather your documents. Generally, you'll need 1. A valid passport with at least 6 months of validity. 2. A completed visa application form, available on the embassy's website. 3. A passport-sized photo, recent and meeting official guidelines. 4. Proof of financial stability, usually a bank statement showing sufficient funds. 5. Proof of accommodation like a hotel booking or rental agreement. 6. Your travel itinerary, including round-trip flight tickets. Now, submit your application. Depending on your location, you can apply in person at the Thai embassy or consulate, or online via the e-visa system if eligible. For in-person applications, book an appointment in advance, as some embassies require this. Submit your documents, pay the fee, usually $30 to $60 for a tourist visa, and keep your receipt. Processing typically takes 2 to 5 business days. If you're applying online, go to thaievisa.go.th, create an account, and upload scanned copies of all required documents. Ensure your files meet the size and format requirements to avoid delays. Once submitted, you'll receive updates via email, and your e-visa will be sent electronically. Print a copy to carry with you. Finally, upon arrival in Thailand, present your visa, passport, and any additional documents like proof of onward travel to immigration officers. Follow this guide step by step, and you'll have your Thailand visa in hand, ready to enjoy your trip stress-free.